Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see the myip command can be used with Shodan. So when you give this particular command, which is Shodan space myip, it will return your internet facing IP address, which is your IP address which is given by your ISP. You can also use this command parse, which is very helpful to analyze a file that was generated using the download command. So you have already seen we used the particular command download to download a specific set of information for a search query that was big IP. After it was downloaded into the zipped format, we unzipped it and we tried to read that particular file using JSON beautifier. You can also use Shodan inbuilt parse, which will be very helpful to make it more readable. So it is the practical time, and let's see how can we use both the commands. So first you have to type Shodan space myip and hit enter. As you can see, Shodan has given the output, and this is the IP address which has been received. Let us perform a whois and see what information do we get for this particular IP address. As you can see, we have got this particular IP address is of U Telecom India Private Limited, which is basically the U broadband service, which is my ISP, internet service provider. All right, let me just clear the output, and now we are going to use Shodan and the parse feature. If you give this command and hit enter, you will not get an output because you have not specified which file you want to see the output parsed for. So now we are going to take this particular file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to again type the command Shodan and parse, and I'm going to paste the file name for which I want to see the output in a much more better format. So I will just hit enter, and you can see the output over here, which looks pretty clear and easy to understand, wherein you can see the IP address, the port, and the host name, which is this. As you can see here, the IP address, the port 80, and the host name. This becomes much more simpler to understand the output instead of seeing all this junk data, which are the banners and the version detection and all sorts of data that we are getting from that particular server. So this particular output is very human friendly and easy to understand and read. So I hope you guys understood how you can use the Shodan parse command to get the output in much more simpler and human readable easy format. Thank you.